Hey there, welcome to the Gav Noble 10X Physio channel. If you want to stay active, mobile and pain-free, you've just found your channel. Here's the truth. Feeling great doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing things right. It's about moving smarter, training with purpose and learning how to look after your body so you can do the things you love for years to come. I'm Gavin Noble, physiotherapist here in Lisburn, Northern Ireland, and founder of Gav Noble Physiotherapy and the Gav Noble 10X Physio channel. This is where we help people move better, feel stronger, and live without limits. Whether that's playing pickleball, hiking, your favorite trail, or just getting through the day without those nagging aches, we've got you covered. Each week, I share easy to follow videos filled with physio-approved tips, mobility routines, and simple exercises designed to keep your body strong, flexible, and pain-free. We'll tackle everything from back pain that just won't go away, stiff knees or tight hips, shoulder and neck tension, to the secrets of building strength, balance, and real movement confidence. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership, just a bit of space, a few minutes a day, and the right guidance. I've been helping people move and feel better for over 25 years, and I know what it's like to juggle work, family, and fitness. That's why everything I share here is realistic, practical, and built to fit into your lifestyle. So, if you're ready to feel stronger, move better, and get back to doing what you love, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join our amazing community that's proving it's never too late to take control of your health. This is the Gav Noble 10X Physio channel, helping you move better, feel stronger, and stay out of the doctor's office. Let's get started.